So I'm doing a little coolant repair on these old body style Tahoes, Yukons, and Suburbans. You have these 4 water hoses right here that connect into a vacuum valve. Which here's the old one that I just removed. It orients like that. The little vacuum line attaches right here. Vacuum applied to the line pulls the plunger and turns the little butterfly valve right there. This one appears to have been leaking right here on the valve just on startup. Just maybe probably like a couple thimblefuls worth of coolant, not much at all, and then as soon as the coolant, I guess, started flowing or warming up, it would stop leaking. But I am going to replace this with a AC Delco, same exact factory part. This is a AC Delco part. Here's the new one. The cheaper knockoff versions of this are about 1/4 of the price. But this joint right here is very weak, and when the valve is held still by the hoses and the vacuum is applied, it actually tweaks the whole thing. The whole thing bends over. So these are about like $25 versus about $6 or $7 for the cheapies. I bought one of the cheap ones just to keep in the truck because I plan on doing a lot of off-highway traveling in this vehicle, so I'm kind of putting together backup parts package. And this is a known issue with these trucks. This is a point of failure. So anyways, one thing for sure, take the airbox off. It only takes a couple seconds to remove the airbox assembly, and it's really easy to get to this with the airbox removed. One other thing I want to show you is my lighting. I've got this Harbor Freight freebie LED light that actually is really pretty decent. The magnet's not very strong, but it's stuck on my valve cover there. And then I have this Nikkor light. This thing is just bad to the bone. It's magnetic. It's got an adjustable head, swivel head on it. Very powerful magnet. Very powerful light. Get it in there. With this arrangement, you can kind of put the light exactly where you need it. It's pretty cool. There we go. Just like that.